Hi there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy, and I'm coming on with a quick video. I'm participating in a birthday challenge with Trina at Trina's place, and one of the things that she asked for, in addition to what for her, is for some stickers and a birthday card for her sister Joanne. And so I decided I needed to make a book to put the stickers in. I'm going to show you the book that I made, and I really love making books. This one was a lot of fun to make, and I want to make more, so I'll be doing a tutorial on it at some point. But this is the book that I made. It's 9 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 1.5 inches deep. And I made this book using Stampin' Up's, what's it called? Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. Trina said that Joann's favorite color is red, and this paper really does that well. The color is called Poppy Parade, this color of red, and then I used old olive cardstock to go with it. I wanted to put something on the front with her name on it, and I have figured out that when I print on my computer on cardstock, not on my computer, when I print my laser printer on cardstock, it kind of sits on top and it rubs off easily. So when I make my calendars that I make every year, my 6x6 calendars, I have an inkjet printer that I use. That does not rub off the way the laser printer does. However, I've been out of the ink for the inkjet printer, and this was like a spur of the moment thing. So I went ahead and printed it on our Whisper White cardstock using my laser printer, but then I put this frame around it, and I put an acetate sheet in between so nothing can get to the words. So this is the front of the book, and there's 3 pages inside. So when you open it, this is the first page. This is so pretty. I was going to put something in here, but I really don't want to cover up this paper, so I haven't done that. And all of the pages, I haven't done any embellishing because it's a sticker book, so I'm thinking that Joann might want to embellish it herself. So this is the first page. The pages are 8.5 by 6.5, and this one has a pocket here, and then the back side is the same. It has a pocket here, and the middle page is a diagonal pocket. It's kind of hard to see because I use the same paper, but that's a diagonal pocket, and the back is the same. And then this third page has this pocket that goes this way. I did each page with different paper, except for the bottom. The green on the bottom is the same on the first and last page. I'm not showing you what I put in it because I don't want to put that in the video. That's a surprise for Joann, but I have a lot of fun stuff to put into this book. And then I wanted to show you what I did, again, because I can't use my inkjet printer and I don't have a stamp that says what I wanted to say. I did this on my computer. I'm trying to get it close. My pipe is in the way here, but so this says handmade especially for Joann by Tammy of Tammy's Stamping Therapy, and I framed it and put acetate behind the frame. So that's my book. Hope you like it. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial. Like I said, I love making books. I've made books of all sizes. And I'd like to make the smaller ones better, but I love this book. It was so much fun to make, and I think it's really pretty. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to purchase the supplies I used to make this book, they'll be listed in the description below. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.